Do you have a Cricut machine gathering dust? Or maybe you're just using it for family gifts? What if I told you that in this year, there are 7 specific ways to turn that machine into a serious income? From untapped projects to sell to starting a full-blown craft business from home, today I'm breaking down exactly how to make money with your Cricut this year. Whether you want to start a side hustle or a full-time income, let's get to the cash. Way number 1 is selling custom apparel. But here's the 2026 twist. Stop trying to compete with plain text shirts on Etsy. The real money right now is in niche apparel. Instead of mama bear shirts, think about hyper-specific niches. Nurses in specific specialties, local school spirit wear, or even bridal party sets. Use your Cricut to cut high-quality HTV or use it for sublimation hacks. You can also throw in some DTFs with this to add that personalization, and then from there you can also add some HTV as well. Why this works? People will always pay for personalization they can't buy at Target or Walmart. If you can create a Cricut project to sell that speaks to a specific person, you win. Way number 2 is one of my favorites because businesses have bigger budgets than individuals. Small business branding. You can offer a new business starter pack. This includes logo stickers, custom thank you cards, vinyl decals for their car window, and even branded shirts for the owner. Search small business ideas in your local area, find new shops, and pitch them your Cricut services. This is a fantastic way to make recurring income because they will come back for more supplies. Number 3, party and event bundles. In 2026, people are still throwing huge parties and they want everything to match. Don't just sell a cake topper, sell the first birthday bundle, the high chair banner, the cake topper, the monthly photo banner, and the personalized onesie. By bundling these Cricut crafts to sell, you increase your average order value. And here's an SEO tip. When listing these on Etsy or Marketplace or your own website, use keywords like custom birthday party kit or personalized wedding decor package to rank in search. Way number 4 is personalized drinkware, but we need to upgrade from the plastic cups. Trends move fast. Right now, glass can cups with bamboo lids, textured tumblers, and high-end mugs are trendy. Use your Cricut to add names, monograms, or trendy quotes. You can also add glitter, UV DTFs, and epoxy to elevate your cups as well. This is a low-cost, high-profit item. A blank cup may cost anywhere from $3 to $5, but with a custom design, it can sell for $20 to $25. That's the power of a craft business from home. Number 5 is for those who want to make money while they sleep. If you're good at using Canva, Inkscape, Adobe Illustrator, or other software, sell the files. Other Cricut users are constantly looking for Cricut projects and party favor files, and they don't have to design them themselves. You upload the file once to Etsy or your own website, and it can sell thousands of times. No shipping and no inventory. This is the ultimate Cricut side hustle. Way number 6 leverages your knowledge, teaching Cricut classes. You guys know I love teaching Cricut beginners here on YouTube, but you can do this locally as well. Libraries, community centers, or even stores often hire instructors. You can charge anywhere from $30 to $50 per person for a 2-hour introduction to Cricut workshop where they make one simple project. It's a great way to make money with your Cricut without selling physical products. Finally, number 7 is the classic Dollar Tree flip. Take a $1.25 item like a plain organizational bin, a glass vase, or a seasonal sign, add custom vinyl and lettering, add some extra things to it that you can make with your Cricut machine. Suddenly, it looks like a $20 item from a high-end store. This keeps your overhead low and your profit margins massive. It's perfect for testing new craft business ideas without risking a lot of money. So which of these 7 ways are you going to try this year? Let me know in the comments if you're team digital or team physical products. If you're ready to start but need to know exactly what projects are selling right now, you need to watch this next video, 72 Cricut projects to sell. It's packed with specific ideas to get you started. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Cricut tips. I'm Bird from InsideOutlined, and I'll see you in the next one.